Good morning, children. Welcome back to online class. This is social class. Hello, everyone. We are going to watch a short story about one of our favorite star, Jackie.
Jackie Chan.
Shall we enjoy?
Hi Jackie, what are you doing there?
I am repairing time machine.
Jackie, what is the use of time machine?
We can travel to the past. Julie, go and do your work.
In the absence of Jackie, Julie used the time machine and traveled towards history.
Uncle, where is Julie and time machine? Uncle, do something. We should save Julie.
Okay, da Jackie, we spell the magical words.
You my Bobby Bakishan, you my Bobby Bakishan, you my Bobby Bakishan, you my Bobby Bakishan.
Now we are going to learn a lesson towards history. Children, in this lesson, we are going to know about the Stone Age and can understand the nature of human evolution, which means the gradual process of change or development. Then can understand the human nomadic life. Nomad means someone who lives by moving from one place to another. So nomadic life means a people's life that has no permanent place to live but moves around the world. Before getting into the lesson, we should know what is history. History means the study of past, particularly how it relates to human. History is a word derived from the Greek word historia, which means the study of past. Now we are going to discuss about Stone Age. Children, in the beginning, humans were not aware of metals. Metal means a hard and shiny solid substance. They took several years to discover metals. Our lives today are their gifts. Hi Jackie, now we are in Stone Age. What is Stone Age, Jackie?
In the
The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Children, what is Stone Age? The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. During Stone Age period, humans were not aware of scripts, which means a system of writing. They don't know to write. Then the nature of evolution, which means I have told you in the beginning the gradual process of change or gradual development. Early humans lived in jungles. What is jungle? Yes. Early humans lived in forest along with animals.
Where did they live?
they lived in jungles along with animals.
They used stone tools to protect themselves, drive away animals, dig out roads, shoots, etc. The most important thing is that they ate everything raw, including flesh, because they did not know the use of fire in the beginning.
What did they eat?
They ate everything raw, including flesh. They did not know the use of fire in the beginning.
At first, dog was their good companion because when the dogs bark, wild animals will run away. So, dog was the first pet animal. Children, which was the first pet animal? Yes, dog was the first pet animal. They took dogs wherever they went. Later, they started rearing cattle, which means there will be two types of animals, one group for food needs like milk and another for labor purpose like irrigation. And they were very useful to them. They observed some grains growing along the riverside. They ate and found them very tasty. They observed that the scattered grains were eaten up by birds. as they were keen observers. So they found that the grains grow with the help of sunshine and rainfall. Thus, they learned the art of cultivation.
Uncle, how did they find fire?
Humans noticed forest fire. Due to that fire, they found some animals died. At first, they were afraid of fire. Then they started to eat the flesh of the burnt animals. It tasted good. Children, I have told you already, they were good observers. So, they also observed that the spark came out by scratching two stones together. Then they started to cook food and they ate cooked food. Children, early man used quartzite, a type of stone for making tools and weapons, and a style of stone called flintstone, which was used to produce fire. Have you understood, children? Let's recall. What is history? History means the study of past. What is Stone Age? Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Children, where did they live? They lived in jungles along with animals. What did they eat? They ate everything raw, including flesh. Which was the first pet animal? Dog was the first pet animal. How did they get spark? The spark came out by scratching two stones together. Thank you, Jackie. Shall we go home? Children, have you enjoyed this cartoon movie? Yes, thank you, students.